All right, guys, so we are here at Huron Speed in Port Huron, Michigan. Huron Speed's known for building some of the baddest twin turbo vehicles in Michigan. And today we brought our Pistachio that you saw at SEMA 2023 in the HP Tuners booth. And we're gonna get it dialed in the way it should have been from the beginning. We liked it. We had the big Solarotech headers. It's in the video game. It was cool, but it ran too hot for me. I didn't really like the tune on it. We wanted to do a couple other custom touches that weren't done prior to SEMA. So we're gonna drop it off to John today, and when we pick it up, hopefully it should be all brand new. I'm excited. So guys, I am blown away again. Obviously we saw the car with the turbo before. This is the way it should have been from day one. The way if John and I could have linked up prior to SEMA last year, we would have had this done. But this makes it so much sweeter seeing it, knowing where we started, where we came from, and what we have now. We've got 100% reliable, just beautiful looking turbo system. We've got our Cook's long tube headers back in the car. Obviously everything else remains the same as far as the engine and the internals. You can see our Pistachio pipes are done. We're gonna do our logos on there in Project Vugnot. And underneath, that's where the magic really happened. So the guys are running new oilless turbos on this car. We had them all coated Pistachio. Also the TissFab titanium that John and the guys use here. The exhaust looks phenomenal. And by the way, that's all hand welded, guys. That's not robot. That's all done right here in Port Huron at Huron Speed using their own material, TissFab. They've got a whole room of it around the corner, all titanium products. I am just blown away by this. And it's also got my mind turning a little bit about maybe what we should do to the ZL6. I mean, we're here, we're close. It's only a few hours away. So I think we're gonna load it up in the trailer now, get it back to the shop, drive it a little bit, enjoy it for the rest of the summer. But also, I gotta see this on a ZL6, so I'm gonna go talk with John before we leave and see if I can't plant a seed. We're all set, guys. We got the car loaded up in the trailer, ready to head back to the shop. We're gonna get it back to the shop, put the rear bumper back on and take it out on the street and get some test runs in, which I think Evan will be capturing some rollers and some sound clips, right? All right, that's awesome. Let's get it back safe and get her back together. Thanks for watching, guys.